You're running but the pavement's got you stuck. You've been around the block, I know. You got the cuts to show it. Smoking like a bullet from a gun. The city got you crushed under its thumb. You're staring at the clock, I see. Your time is up, you know it. So write your name in the dust. Hope they remember you, cause these streets, they're mean. You gotta fight if you want to eat. It's blood and bone. The black top's got a heart of stone. They're mean, these streets. They're gonna try to take you, never let them break you. You've been throwing punches at the wall, and nothing really makes much sense at all. Walking like a lonely ghost, your number's up, you're feeling. Looking for a street light in the dark, trying to find a rock to make a spark. Maybe it's the life you chose, you're gonna let them steal it. So write your name in the dust. Hope they remember you, cause these streets, they're mean. You gotta fight if you want to eat. It's blood and bone. The black top's got a heart of stone. They're mean, these streets. They're gonna try to take you, never let them break you. These streets. These streets. Praying that you don't run out of luck. You're running but the pavement's got you stuck. Smoking like a bullet from a gun. The city got you crushed under its thumb. Staring at the clock, I see your time is up, you know it. So write your name in the dust. Hope they remember you.